Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a sitemap in WordPress on Hostinger. This is my WordPress website hosted on Hostinger, and creating a sitemap is straightforward. All you need to do is to visit your website homepage, then add /sitemap.xml and hit enter. And this is your sitemaps available for your website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Sitemaps available for your website. This one is responsible for blog posts, this one for pages, this one for taxonomies and categories, and this one for users. Let's visit the posts sitemap, and this is my available blog posts on my, and this is my single available blog post on my website, and this is the sitemap, the link that I can use. Same thing for the other pages sitemap, and this one, the last one, is for users. Don't forget to use the correct sitemap link, which is this one that you see in this top of the browser, not links here. And this is how to create a sitemap in WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.